Let me explain how to fix this specific error you're facing. You've reached the maximum attempts allowed, as you can see here. You've hit the maximum attempts allowed in CapCut on your phone. So, what's our first step? Let's find out how to resolve this issue together. Change your IP address. As you can see here is the most effective hack. Simply reconnect to your mobile data or Wi-Fi. You can switch to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi, or vice versa, as you can see here. How is your internet connection now? Is your internet connection active? You can simply turn on and off airplane mode, as this also changes your IP address. You could say it resets and reconnects. Now, what else can you do? Well, as usual, you can also try other simple methods here. You can use a VPN, carefully enable it, select a different country, and then try logging back into your account again. You can also try reinstalling the app with a clean installation. How is this done, you may ask? Well, let me explain how to do it step by step, as follows. First, you need to delete CapCut from your phone. After that, as you can see, let's proceed with the next steps. You restart your phone. After that, as you can see here, you reinstall your CapCut app, and then we can proceed with the next steps. After the phone has restarted, as you can see here, we now have a clean installation. Basically, after these steps, if you follow these steps carefully, everything will be just fine. Thank you all for watching, and good luck to everyone. Goodbye for now.